Tamil writing for beginners at Udemy. What will you learn in this course? Tamil vowels, உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் and consonants, மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள், how to combine letters to form words and sentences, proper stroke order and writing techniques, common words and phrases to practice Tamil writing, tips to improve handwriting and recognition skills, and many more. Who should join this course? Absolute beginners with no prior knowledge of Tamil, children or adults interested in learning basic Tamil writing, parents seeking structured guidance to help their kids learn Tamil, those who learn to face examinations in writing and reading officially, students learning Tamil as a second language, travelers or professionals who want to read and write Tamil signs and documents, anyone passionate about learning new script and language. You can click the below link to watch some sample videos of this course. By using the promotional code, you can purchase this course at $9.99. This offer is for a limited period, so don't miss this chance. Here I have shown how to write the first vowel. It's A. The order is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6 I have completed the writing of A. It starts from A and the order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see from this. And the other letters are also I have written like that. You can easily follow that method to write the vowels. This is A. A. E. E. Letter E is written here. The order of writing U is given here. I have given only a few examples here, but through my course you can learn all the Tamil letters in a simple way. Thank you for watching this video.